spiral model is risk analysis and constraints analysis. So this spiral model is specifically important or specifically suitable for those projects which are very challenging projects and for which we are not sure that we will be able to finish those projects. So for such projects we follow some strict number of steps in a strict number of manner, strict number of orders. Those orders is we analyze budgets, and we analyze alternative solutions in each step, and constraints in each step, and risk analysis and prototypes. So these steps are performed in each phase. Of course all the phases are same, just like waterfall model and V model and other model that we have studied so far, but in addition to those phases we have to perform these steps. So at the end of first iteration we come up with the concept of operation. So concept of operation is like feasibility report. So at the end of the first iteration we just get the feasibility report, whether it is doable or not, and then the same cycle and same iteration is followed and in the second phase, and we come up with the requirements, validated requirements. So all the steps are same as for other projects, just we add these iterations. Like for design and coding we do this constraints and risk analysis. So the main goal of this model is to analyze the given project for any risk and constraints. It is very important model for the challenging projects. Like if you are working on a project which involves software and hardware, and if you have developed the software part of that project and in the span of 2 years, but and then you start developing hardware, and when you start developing hardware you come to know that some sensors are not available in the market and you cannot find those sensors. So if you cannot find those sensors and you come to know to that fact after 2 years, what does it mean? It means you have wasted your money and your time, but your product will not be finished. So to avoid such shocks, to avoid such unpleasant surprises, we should use spiral model.